What are the roots of x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0? If we compare it to the standard form of quadratic equations, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 10. If we take AC product, we get 10. Now, we have to factorize 10 in such a way that the sum of factors is equal to 7. So 10 can be factorized as 1 multiplied by 10, 2 multiplied by 5, minus 2 multiplied by minus 5, minus 1 multiplied by minus 10. So the addition of factors in each of these cases comes out to be 11, 7, minus 7, minus 11. We want it to be 7. So therefore we select the factors as 2 and 5. So we split the middle term 7x as 2x plus 5x. So we have here x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. X into x plus 2 plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we can say that the roots are x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 5.